Last year we had about 2.7 inches of snow, and that was in February. I think it was February 8th. This is out at Renaissance Park and Coolidge Park, and looked like a lot of fun for a lot of people. Almost 3 inches of snow last year, which is just a little bit below normal. Let's go to our stats, though. We're going to show you the normal snow amounts about 3.9. Last year's, again, just about 3 inches of snow if you add a little bit that we had in January, too. All right, in December, we were 6.6 degrees above normal. January, the same. February, we were 3.3 degrees above normal. So you add all that up, and we were way above normal as far as temperatures go last year. Very, very warm winter. As far as what we look at in the future, first thing I look at is what the Pacific Ocean looks like. And is it warm, especially at the equatorial parts? And I say, no, that's so far away from us. Why would that affect us? Well, that's what we call the El Nino and the La Nina. And when nothing's really different, I call it La Nada. But basically what we've got this year is a La Nina. That means a cooling of the Pacific Ocean in the equatorial areas. And when that happens, generally we get a jet stream pattern like this that dips down from British Columbia all the way down across the midsection of the United States and then stays north of us and keeps us fairly warm. And that's very important as far as I'm concerned. I think especially with a La Nina that's as strong as it is right now. Then I look at some of the computer models too. This happens to be just one of them we're going to look at. This is called the CFS, or the Climate Forecast System Winter Temperature Forecast. And this computer model is predicting a colder than normal winter. As far as precipitation goes, it's saying it's going to be wetter than normal, which would mean normally a lot of snow around here. I don't agree with that. And some of the other computer models that I've looked at don't agree with that either. This is from the National Weather Service. Their winter forecast for temperatures are above normal for much of the southern half of the country. And for us, drier than normal. The wetter stuff should be off to the north. And they also think that it's going to be a lot colder across the northern plains and the Midwest. So this is what I'm thinking right now, about 1 to 2 inches above normal. Actually, I'm sorry, 1 to 2 degrees above normal for the southeast. That includes Chattanooga. Near normal as you get towards the Ohio River, and then it's going to be colder than normal across the northern plains and much of the Midwest. That's what the temperature pattern is going to look like. As far as snowfall goes, I think we're going to be below normal again, which is no surprise, because last few years we've been well below normal. And I think it's going to be way above normal out over the northern plains and the Midwest. One of the reasons is where the jet stream is going to be, what the average jet stream, we call that the mean jet stream. That's sort of figuring out where the average is going to be. Sometimes it'll be a little further south, sometimes a little further north. But if it stays like this, they're going to get a lot of snow up over the northern plains. So if you add everything up, this is what I'm thinking. Temperatures above normal, and then precipitation will be near normal as far as rainfall goes, and snowfall is going to be below normal. Some of you will be happy, some of you will be sad about it, but this is the way I figured it out.